Hi, I am Xavier Goh from Carpenters Design Group. Today, we will be having a look at our newly complete project at Hougang. Our brief by the owner was to have a cozy space with warm tones. They would like to have a place to relax and unwind after a long day from work. Above entering the unit note with cove lighting enhances the mood and feel from the dining space. Moving in, we are greeted with a full-length feature wall, which covers the walkway to the bedrooms, creating a dedicated area from their entertainment needs. A simple bay window safety allows us to have a day bed while keeping clutters in place. Contrasting tones were used in the bathroom. The wooden and brick walls are different in tones. However, this creates a harmonious balance. We removed the serviette wall, extending the kitchen to maximize storage and tabletop space. On top of that, it brightened up the whole kitchen area. Every space was utilized to its fullest in the master bedrooms. With an L-shaped wardrobe and storage platform, that storage is guaranteed to be sufficient for years